Other than all remaining quantities we will call derived physical quantities. Okay. But now let us see about those quantities which are neither derived nor fundamental. They are placed altogether in a different category, and that is known as supplementary physical quantities. Supplementary physical quantities. Okay. Supplementary physical quantities. They are only two. Look, plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle is the angle made in two-dimensional space, that is in a plane, and solid angle is an angle made in three dimensions. Let us see one by one. First of all, about plane angle. Fine. Think of this circle having radius r. Consider any circular arc over its periphery. Come on, over its circumference you just choose some circular arc, say from A to B. Correct? This is a circular arc. Fine. Its length we take x. Length we take as x. Okay. What is the angle made by this circular arc at the center? Angle made by circular arc at the center. That angle is angle AOB. Angle AOB, which in the figure are shown by symbol theta. Correct? Now, measurement of angle in radian is defined this way. Angle equals to arc upon radius. Angle equals to arc upon radius. Correct? Unit of plane angle we will choose, come on, radian. Symbol is RAD. Everything small. Okay. Measurement of plane angle in radian is defined this way, arc upon radius. Now tell me, when you measure this arc and radius, and when you take the ratio, you will get the value of plane angle in radian. Tell me, when angle is said to be 1 radian, when angle is said to be 1 radian, very simple, take these two equal, take these two equal. If x equals to r, if x equals to r, these two will cancel, then ratio will be 1. But 1 is what? Radian. 1 radian. How would you define it? 1 radian plane angle. 1 radian plane angle. Plane angle subtended by length of circular arc equal to radius of the circle. Equal to radius of the circle is called 1 radian plane angle. 1 radian plane angle. Angle subtended by circular arc having length equal to radius of the circle, correct, is called 1 radian plane angle. Correct? You have to simply take x equal to 1, x equal to r. Fine. Pi radian, that is 3.14 radian, is nothing but 180 degree. 180 degree. Multiply by 2 on both the sides. 2 pi radian will be, when you multiply by here by 2, it is 360 degree. For any plane figure, might be circle, might be triangle, might be quadrilateral, whatever it may be, for any plane figure, remember total angle from within, it is 360 degree. Total angle is 360 degree. Total inner angle is 360 degree, which is 2 pi radian, which is pi radian equals to 180 degree. Fine. And now tell me, 1 degree, you must be knowing, 1 degree angle is divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is known as 1 minute. That's why 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Further, 1 minute angle is further divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is known as 1 second. 1 second. Remember, 1 minute is known as 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. I repeat, 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Minute is shown by single dash and second is shown by double dash. Double dash means second. Manual here, minute and second, they are not the unit of time, they are unit of angle. They are unit of angle. Okay. What about solid angle? What about solid angle? All of you have seen volleyball, correct? Volleyball is three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object. It has some volume. Now over the surface of volleyball, you must have seen some design, some square or rectangular or some parts are there, correct? Whatever it may be, but some shape is there and some area is there for each piece. So I just select one piece. That piece is shown here. Look. But because this is a piece of spherical surface, the curvature is spherical. So this is part of spherical surface. And its area I am taking as capital A. And angle made by this spherical surface at the center of the sphere, it is the angle made in 3 dimensions. Which we call solid angle, shown by symbol omega. How it is defined? By a ratio of A upon R square. A upon, what is A? Don't say simply area. Area of spherical surface. Spherical means 3 dimensions. And what is R square? Radius. Square of radius of the sphere. And then if you take such a ratio, it is called solid angle. Ratio of area of given spherical surface to the square of radius of that sphere is called solid angle. Subtended by that spherical surface at the center. Correct? And that solid angle is shown by symbol omega. What about unit of solid angle? Unit of solid angle is, remember, steradian. Unit is steradian. And for steradian, symbol is SR. Small s, small r. Small s, small s. How would you define one steradian? For one steradian, what do you to take here? These two equal. If you take A equal to R square, then omega will be one steradian. How would you define it? If area of given spherical surface is equal to square of radius of the sphere then angle subtended by the spherical surface at the center of the sphere is said to be one steradian. Just note down these two definitions, not there in the textbook. Right, first of all, definition of one radian. Plane angle subtended by. You written properly, subtended, S-U-B-T-E-N-D-E-D. Plane angle subtended by circular arc having length equal to radius of a circle, comma, at the center of the circle, is called one radian. Then write definition of one steradian. Right. Solid angle subtended by spherical surface at the center of the sphere, comma, having area equal to square of radius of that sphere, is called 1 st radian. 1 st radian. Got it? Just put 2 footnote, very important, right? Put a star and write. Remember that total plane angle write this way. Remember that maximum plane angle is 2 pi radian. And maximum solid angle is 4 pi st radian. 4 pi st radian. How? By these values? Very simple. Look. You don't want plane angle. You want maximum plane angle. You want? So what should I write here? Theta maximum. Say. For a given circle, radius is constant. This is constant, and you want this value maximum. So what you should write here? X maximum. Say. That is maximum length of circular arc. Maximum length of. And that maximum length will be nothing but circumference. Say. So what is that here? Circumference is 2 pi r. Say 2 pi r upon r. 2 pi r upon r is r. 2 pi radian. 2 pi r upon r. That is maximum plane angle. Similarly here. Suppose you talk about whole sphere. Look. Like a cricket ball. Complete sphere. Correct? Then tell me, you want omega maximum. So for a given sphere, radius is constant. So you cannot make any change here. And yet you want this value maximum. So you must write here A maximum. Say, what is A maximum? 4 pi r square. Say 4 pi. For the whole sphere, what is the surface area? 4 pi r square upon r square. 4 pi st radian. 4 pi. That is why maximum plane angle is 2 pi radian. Maximum solid angle is 4 pi st radian. 4 pi. Got it? Fine.